Hey guys, if you're wondering what that is, it's a box. And if you're wondering what's inside that box, then keep watching this video. Let's do it. Yeah. Scissors. Snip, snip. Okay, there's paper and stuff. Musician's friend. Oh yeah, let's do it. So we're gonna see what this is, and yep, MXR. It's a pedal. How do you open it? There we go. It is a chorus pedal. Yes. This is what I've been wanting. You cannot open this thing at all. When all else fails, go to the scissors. Ah, there we go. Ha ha ha. This pedal looks pretty awesome. So, it's a chorus pedal, in case you're wondering. And MXR is the company. There's level, rate, depth, low, high, cut, and flat. So we'll plug it in and see how it sounds. Clean tone first. Yeah, so this pedal sounds really great. The rate knob, I probably will like it around 11 or 12. Depth is good where it's at. And then the low and the high, seems like I like more low than the high. Gives it more of a watery sound. yeah, so that's it for the pedal review. It was more of a unboxing and review video in one. I'll probably post a song using this pedal once I write something. I'll maybe do a more in-depth review using multiple guitars, like my Strat and then the one that I'm using now, which is my Les Paul. So look forward to those videos coming up, and I'll see you guys in the next video.